And then today, you will see how I can use another IP here on my ANT. Use my proxy that I buy cheaply, not in Brazil, I buy it abroad. I'll show you the website. I'll show you how you're going to buy it. And I'll also show how you will configure it inside your ANT. I don't know which proxy you use this one. I will teach you how you can configure it so you can use an IP and browse freely wherever you want, just to avoid being identified that your IP is Beleza. So keep watching this video and we will learn how to do this quickly. Nowadays I use this here to buy my proxies, like my international project operations that I do by selling abroad in dollars. I lateralized my tips, and I also use a proxy because I usually travel all over Brazil and abroad. And we have to have our IP. I don't know if you know, if you're here, you fell parachuted into the proxy because some guru taught you, oh, you need a proxy, blah, blah, blah. Let me explain to you. It's not like that. Okay, you don't need a proxy to be able to make a contingency. Let's go and see. You don't need it nowadays. I, Daniel Fernando da Silva, only use it when I'm traveling. When I'm at home, I use my normal IP on my Chrome profile. Why? Because it gives much more confidence to Facebook. Therefore, when you go traveling, then yes, you use it. You are a person who lives away from home, or there are several people using your Facebook account. You use a proxy and someone. Go separate your IP. Okay? Don't believe these gurus. They don't know what they're talking about. Beauty, you have to listen to people who practice and know what they're talking about. Okay, let's go. Look, I use this here, proxies. I'll leave the link below. Okay, if there is an affiliate link, I will leave it as my affiliate link. If not, I will leave it as normal for you to access. It's the 6. Net proxy. Then what happens? You will register. This one is my registration. You have a registration here. And then to register, you will do the O by Y proxy. It only has English and Russian. I believe you will use English, so we will speak English here. So you don't need to translate, because yours will also be in English. Oh, let's go to buy proxy, which is to buy the proxy. And here you see the following. We have IPv6, IPv4, and IPv4 charrette. There's this shed. Never mind, don't use it. It's a shared IP. You're going to lose your account. This 4 is what we want, and the 6 I recommend you don't use, because there are websites that have not released access to IPv6. Therefore, there is a website that does not accept you to use PV6. It has a firewall, that is, it blocks PV6 entries from people who have this proxy. So you will buy the PV4 proxy by purchasing PV4. You will choose the country. What do you want? If you want to do something in any country there, you buy from that country to say that you are in that country, right? Here below it says accessible quantity, which is what quantity is available. We will see if there is any in Brazil. We have 25 units here in Brazil. We don't always have that here, okay? I came here with 0. I came here with 2. I saw here with very little. So now there's a lot. So you always check to see if you have it before you buy. That's understood. So far, let's come. Here, let me fix this. Here, we will choose the country. So I want Brazil. I will put here, B, Brazil. The amount I want to buy here are the quantities. The period. The period is how long I want my prox to stay active. If you are in contingency, I recommend a month, because if you lost your proxy, if your proxy is burned or something like that, there is no recovery or renewal of proxy here. You will have to buy a new one. The price for this here is 1.77 today. On the date I tell you, it's costing us exactly R8.90, R8.90, more or less. It's around that, I believe R8.50, something like that. You choose here and put it in buy. And here the order will appear. And here below, pay attention. Here below, there is HTTP or SOC5. Okay, I recommend you use SOC5. SOC5. It no longer has security as they say, just that it is what it is. It does not allow what the person delivering the message read which is being sent anyway. You don't need to worry about that, just buy the SOC5, which I recommend. So here you just continue. and you will have yours Prox. I'm not going to buy the Prox because I've already bought it. So I'll show you here how it will come to you. You can click here on Continue. You'll have to have the balance. Okay? I already have my dollars here. And if you want to know how I can register here, how do I buy it? I've already used it with crypto, and I've already bought it with AA. Okay. If you don't want to buy it with crypto, I recommend it. You can buy it with Visa because I've already bought it with Visa. I even left a card blocked just for this system here to see if they are going to fraud or if they are going to try to manipulate my card or buy some things. And until today, they haven't bought anything from me on this card that is blocked. Okay, then you can buy with confidence. Just put your Visa here, put how much you want, and you have to have a card that is international. So this is very important to talk about. Buy it here, I have it, okay, go there and buy it. This class here is for you. You can see where to buy it now. If you need to buy a balance here, I recommend Visa. If you want to buy it for crypto, we're going to have to take another class to be able to teach you how to do this. Come on, we're going to come to the Proxy. When you buy there, he's going to come to the Proxy and he's going to give you your Proxy here. Now at the Proxy, pay attention. You will receive here the Proxy, the login password, what you will do with this many numbers. You can click here on yours, select this box, you can come to export and export in TXT. You will receive this, all of this is here. I did this here to make your life easier, because this is basically what is login 2 dots, and password, Proxy, 2 dots, login 2 dots, and password. Where are you going to paste this here? You are going to copy it, okay, and you are going to paste it in your Dolph. Where are we going to put our Proxy? Let's put it here. I have a new one here that I already left ready. Pay attention here. You go to a new Proxy. I don't know which one is yours before, but you'll see where you're going to add it. The prox you will put here, which is just C. Remember that we bought the SOC 5, and you will paste it here on the prox. You can paste it the way you received it there. Your Proxy login and password. Then always check if there is a test. Perfect connection and save. Done this and check. Go in there and check if the external IP is working. Another IP is working that is not using your home IP. So what I usually do, I come to the place, enter my IP, choose one, then search for your IP, and it will search what is your IP. It is important for you to see if it is different, if it is really the IP that is registered there. You want to see where we are. 1688105 beauty identified your IP. That is it for today. If you're interested in doing online projects like I do and promoting it to the whole world, selling in dollars, making more than just a day, which totals are 500 a day, there's a link below that I left. Where do you go? Watch the explanatory video. You will see all your opportunities that you will have from this video. Okay, if you are interested, just come in, sign up, and let's go together. Let's go with everything. If you have any questions, comment below if you liked it. Also, comment below if you hated it. Also comment below. Hugs and see you next time.